Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this game trail camera from DEATTI. Inside the box, you got your user manual, got a charging cable, some mounting equipment there, some screws and anchors, the mount itself. They have a mounting plate, some webbing, the cam buckle on there. Got 8 AA batteries. And then the unit itself, which has your case. Go ahead and look inside the case. So you got your screen for playback. And yeah, the camera itself in there. You've got some protective covers. Yep, there's the back of the unit. Yep, that's what you get in the box.